Alright, to set a fingerprint on your POCO F6, we would need to go into settings first, and here just scroll a bit so we could see this fingerprint, face data and screen lock tab. And now from this section, select fingerprint unlock, just tap it, and here as you can see, to add a fingerprint we would need to set screen lock first. So we got 3 options. I'm gonna choose pin code. Here we can see this pop-up warning that we need to remember the password. Let's just tap got it, and now we need to enter from 4 to 16 digits. Let it be 4 zeros like that, and now we can tap the continue and confirm by re-entering this new pin code. So now we just need to tap got it, and now we can add the fingerprint. Make sure that both your finger and the screen are clean. And you just need to place your finger at this part, at this icon like that, and press and lift after vibration. So just press the screen and lift your finger after you feel slight vibration, and you would need to repeat it as many times as you should to complete this circle with blue lines. So let's just press and lift and press and lift. And also we need to move a little bit finger. And now it's done. So we just need to tap this done button. And here we can see our fingerprint first. You can also rename it, remove or save it, and add new fingerprint if you would like to. And my personal favorite is fingerprint animation. So here we can switch to any other different kind of animation. For example, this one with a butterfly, and let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone. Here we'll need to place finger on this icon, and now we can see this cool butterfly animation. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.